Alright, so this is an egg that we wrapped in duct tape.
Yeah, he already said this.
And we're going to put it in the microwave. It's in an Easter egg, and we wrapped it a bunch of duct tape. And we're going to see what happens in the microwave. 1 minute. Start. Might take a while. This is trippy, dude. I think it's getting bigger.
So do I.
How long is this gonna take?
I don't know, but did you I don't think he wrapped it enough.
Oh god.
Dude, it's so
What was that?
God. Look how big it is.
This is giant, dude.
Kinda scared.
It's about to explode.
I'm kinda scared. That's giant. 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh, come on.
5,
Explode.
4, 3,